Hello, welcome to EAS Alarm Scariness. You can see the tiers from most scary to this is a vibe, like it's fun to listen to, and a welcoming guest, my grandpa. All right, Iraq. We'll find the Iraq alarm now.
Do you need to pause while you're looking?
No, I'm fine. Iraq. I found Iran. I found Iran though.
Yeah.
Do you think a race car would be that scary?
The race car sounds cool.
Alright, so you're going there. Did you even try, Iran?
Did you even try?
Like, that's a race car. I don't need that one. Wait, hold on. I think I just saw. Okay, I thought I saw a Ukrainian one. We're gonna do. Iraq now. Alright, here we go. Let's do this thing.
This is a
Hold on.
Iraq.
Yep. Oh. Okay. That should be.
That's a pretty good one.
Yeah, but I think it should go into here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it goes there. That's where it goes. That's just where it goes. Now, Saudi Arabia. Here we go. Saudi Arabia. Okay. That actually kind of jump scared me a little. Alright, but we're going to. It's not as scary as Iraq, so we're gonna put it in mid. It's going into mid.
Alright.
Alright, now for Qatar. I know you guys call it Qatar, but. What? I don't need quarantine. No.
Well, I guess the two judges that would be involved in this case
Car EAS alarm. Here we go. Oh. That's just a police sound.
Yeah, that sounds like police.
Alright, Cutter, you're going with Iran. Now Bahrain. I think
Okay.
is that how you pronounce it?
I've heard it pronounced a couple of different ways, but that's pretty good.
Sure, but you got Al Barack, they seem to forget about who ran on getting Trump, right? Like his campaign was, I'm going to prosecute Donald
No.
Trump.
No.
Right? And they couldn't even articulate what the crime was. He is riddled with errors.
It's better than these two.
You saw that
That would definitely get your attention, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it's better than Iran and Qatar. But it's not scary.
What the Department of Justice tried to do was
Portugal.
pass on everything, and that got unwound.
Yeah, they're going to rely on a conviction here at 60. We're all even now. That's obviously going to be the narrative.
Okay.
Where you're well taken. Senator, thank you tonight.
Here we go. Ads.
Ads.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Now that's a good one.
That's Portugal.
That's a really good one. Alright, does Yugoslavia even have a Oh my god, it does. Oh my god. Oh my god. It actually has it.
Start to Greg. Hey, no, Wednesday. Yep.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, Florida's coming off of just going from Adirondack straight to here, and then playing 2 games here. And they were giving them a couple days off, and then they've got a Wednesday and then Friday, Saturday, which
Okay.
is for attendance.
all right. I know what I need to put you in.
Yeah.
I've listened to your alarm,
A
Yugoslavia.
couple days to rest after 2 games at home.
You know where you go.
Yeah, they left on the bus to go
Vibe.
to the airport at
You're-
2:30 today. So.
All right,
they're
2
flying down there as we
Yugoslavians.
speak.
2 Yugoslavians.
Yeah.
That.
So.
All right, 2 people that
Heading
were
down,
originally.
I'll have a couple days to skate. Get
2
ready.
people that were originally from Yugoslavia. Your alarm is a vibe.
Oh man, that was a good one, wasn't it?
Russia. Now I forgot what the Russian
Yeah.
one sounds like. I forgot what it sounds like.
And what about Duke's stick to the
No,
face?
no.
He came in this morning. He's got a big old gash across his nose.
Russian EAS.
Yeah. Florida, they're a big physical team. I mean, the boys know.
Here we go.
Yeah, and quick. Yeah, Chow.
Okay.
He's like a lightning on skates, man. And
I found it. Okay. Russia. Your flag is cool,
yeah.
but
Good puck handler.
you're gonna have to go in
Talking,
the
Duke
mid.
came in this morning. I was kind of busting balls a little bit. So.
All right. My guest has left. So. Okay. So. You saw the thumbnail. I went from here to here. Went from here to here. Thumbnail of the last video. But what we're doing is, Papa,
Yes, Bob.
I'm rating America. Do I do my own American or just the real one?
I think you do yours. I thought yours was really cool.
Okay, if we're doing mine, then... Yeah, if we're doing mine, then, yeah, it's going top tier. UK. I don't even have to get the alarm. I remember it well.
No, that would be called game hits.
Those are the alarms that I know very well.
We're having a good time.
I bet you that
a new YouTube video for his channel.
I bet you India doesn't even have an EAS alarm.
All right, dude. I'm gonna help him finish making this video. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
EAS.
All right, dude. Take it easy.
3, 2, 1.
Discover customer service. This is
Okay, not that
Ads.
one. Not that one. Not that one either. This one?
That sounds like Minecraft or something.
Yeah,
That sounds
that's.
like Nintendo.
We're going in vibe.
Vibe.
I bet you China doesn't even have one. They're so different from the rest of the world that they don't even have any. But I think Mexico has one. No, not national. No. I said EAS alarm. EAS alarm. 3, 2. Alright, so we just listened to the Mexico one. We had to get it off camera because there was a glitch. But Mexico, your alarm?
It was not scary.
No.
Oh, did you even try?
Yeah, they didn't even. Did you even try Mexico? Alright, Spain. I think I remember Spain. I know Spain has one. They have one. Spain.
Informed investors choose Interactive Brokers.
That was Spain.
Mid. We'll go in mid. I bet you China doesn't even have one.
I'll bet you they do.
I bet you they don't. Okay, it shows. Wait, they have one. They have one. It's a translating? Okay, so
Oh, it's followed by a siren. You stopped it.
it's translating. So, and that's a countdown. So, I know the two are enemies, but we're gonna put it China beside one of their enemies. That's where I live. Hold on. I'm getting a charger.
Your Allegiance flag supplies, we grew sick and tired of flying flags that were made overseas, flags that would rip and tear easily. So we really made a commitment to quality. All of our flags are archived at all stress points, and they're sewn using a double needle lock.
I'm back.
Altered flag materials are stored in the habitat and they are
Don't worry. I'm back. That took like 5 seconds, I know.
What's all that about?
Oh, I already put mine on the thing of production.
It's alright. I had to plug mine in too.
Alright.
Alright, Joe.
Italy! I thought China didn't even have one. India. No, I said Italy.
Italy? Yeah.
That's what we're doing next. EAS alarm? What is it?
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's a good one, Italy. It was an That's another video game sound.
I never want to hear that noise again in my life.
Unless it's to beat the big boss in Mario Brothers.
Yeah. Wait, where did France go? Put France there. Hold on, we're gonna have to add something. France. Okay, I accidentally deleted my friends, so I had to put it back. Kenya! I've never heard the Kenya one before. I've heard the America one a couple of times. And okay, you know what? Kenya. EAS alarm. Here we go! What?
I would say that gets your attention, but it's not really scary.
Yeah, but I know they did try. They did actually try.
They did try, okay.
So we're gonna put it in it's not a vibe. I bet you Germany's will probably go in most scary.
Maybe.
I've never heard
Let's see.
I've never heard the Germany one before. We were about to do Egypt, but I'm curious. We're doing Germany. Okay,
Let's hear it.
am I ready?
Really? That's their emergency alert?
Yeah.
They didn't even try. They stole that from a PlayStation 2.
You know what? I'm not gonna put it into the.
I don't even think that was PlayStation 2. That was Nintendo NES. That was.
I put it in the vibe. It's a vibe. It's fun to listen to.
All right. Okay.
All right. Now we have Egypt. I've heard Japan's before. It's not scary at all. I've heard Japan's isn't scary. I've heard theirs before. Did Egypt make one? So Germany's Egypt. EAS one.
Oh, ads.
Ads. There we go. What? Is that someone's?
That was Egypt, right?
Yeah, I think it's someone speaking Egyptian. So we're gonna go mid here. Mid. Yup, it's mid. It's mid, all right. It's mid. Ukraine. Let's see how this goes. This is gonna cut. I know it's gonna cut. Ukraine. No, I don't want the anthem. All right, are you ready? I've never heard this. Okay.
That sounds like old school Europe. Not scary.
They try?
Yeah, they tried.
They tried. Israel! I bet you Israel is going to be terrifying. Israel. It sounds like a UFO about to crash into Earth.
Yeah, big loud sirens. I like that.
Real scary. There. How about that? Alright, Korea. Does Korea have two separate ones?
Well, probably. North and South.
Korea. Okay. All I'm getting is the South Korean one, but we'll listen to that.
Okay. Oh, that's like an old school dial-up.
That's an old school computer glitching out.
That's right. Well, it's old school dial-up. It's not a glitch.
There. There. Here. I don't think they tried. I think they just took an old school dialogue, and then I think they took an old school dialogue. They just took a video in it, and they're like, "Yup, that's our alarm."
Yeah.
That's basically what they did. Are we ready for the Polish one?
Okay.
This is the last one. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh. 1939? I want the 2023 one. That's disgusting. I'm shocked.
Which country is that?
No, you didn't. That's Poland.
That was Poland.
Yep. Alright, this is our list. This is our... Right, Papa. This is the list. What do you think?
Summer barbecue.
That's the list.
That's a good list.
Okay, so we have China and America in terrifying. Really scary Israel and Portugal. Scary Poland and Iraq. Mid Egypt, Spain, Russia, Saudi Arabia, not scary. Ukraine, Japan, Kenya, France, Bahrain. The countries who didn't even try are South Korea, Italy, Mexico, United Kingdom, Qatar, and Iran. But the ones that are actually fun to listen to are Germany, India, and Yugoslavia.
Yep.
This is too correct.